Good morning, good morning, good morning to you. Good morning, good morning. How are you? How are you, my friends? How are you? I'm so happy to be with you today. It's teacher Alice and English for fun. Hello everyone. How are you today? It's teacher Alice and welcome to English for fun. Have you ever been to a farm? Do you know who lives on the farm? If you don't worry. Let's go and find out. Can you hear that? Who is this? This is a rooster. 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 And who is this? This is a chicken. 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 Who is this? This is a pig. 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 Who is this? This is a horse. 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 Who is this? This is a duck. 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 Who is this? This is a sheep. 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 Who is this? This is a cow. 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 Who is this? This is a donkey. 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 Let's keep on practicing. Let's sing a song. Old Mcdonald has a farm. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Old MacDonald has a farm, E-I-E-O. And on the farm he has a pig, E-I-E-O. With oink oink here, oink oink there, oink oink here, oink oink there. Old MacDonald has a farm, E-I-E-O. Old MacDonald has a farm, E-I-E-O. And on the farm he has a duck, E-I-E-O. With quack quack here, quack quack there, oink oink here, oink oink there. Old MacDonald has a farm, E-I-E-O. Old MacDonald has a farm, E-I-E-O. And on the farm he has a horse, E-I-E-O. With knick-knack here, knick-knack there, quack quack here, quack quack there, oink oink here, oink oink there. Old MacDonald has a farm, E-I-E-O. And old MacDonald has a farm, E-I-E-O. And on the farm he has a sheep, E-I-E-O. With baby here, baby there, knack-knack here, knack-knack there. Quack quack here, quack quack there, oink oink here, oink oink there. Old MacDonald has a farm, E-I-E-O. And old MacDonald has a farm, E-I-E-O. And on the farm he has a cow, E-I-E-O. With moo-moo here, moo-moo there, baby here, baby there. Knack-knack here, knack-knack there. Quack quack here, quack quack there, oink oink here, oink oink there. Old MacDonald has a farm, E-I-E-O. And old MacDonald has a farm, E-I-E-O. And on the farm he has a donkey, E-I-E-O. With here, there, moo-moo here, moo-moo there, baby here, baby there, nay-nay here, nay-nay there, quack quack here, quack quack there, oink oink here, oink oink there. Old MacDonald has a farm, E-I-E-O. I hope you will enjoy the video. If you want to keep on learning and having fun with us, click like, subscribe. See you next time. It's English for fun and it's teacher Alice. Bye bye for now.